So this is called Bare Republic. It's a mineral sunscreen lotion. It says tinted face. It's broad spectrum, SPF 30, water resistant for 40 minutes, and it's a sheer cream to powder formula. Let me open this. Hold on. Oops. Such cute packaging. Hold on. Let me just see if it's open. So as you see, it doesn't leave a white cast at all, and that's really what I like. You know, I don't like looking like a ghost. So try this company out. I'm going to put a link at the bottom. They use clean ingredients. It's environmental friendly, and you can use it for everyday use. Great for your face, even when you have sensitive skin. Next is Electrolyte Beverage. You know, so when you're feeling hydrated or you're working in the yard like I do sometimes, and you just need that pick me up, this is perfect. It's more healthier than other store brands that are full of sugar. This contains no juice. It does have 15 grams of sugar. It's all natural orange flavor, scientific formula, and I can't wait to try this out. This is a vanilla nutmeg cardamom candle. This is what it's a cute package. Look at the packaging, how cute the design is. Oh, it smells gorgeous. Next we have, this is called Fire Cider, apple cider vinegar wellness tonic with the mother. 15 grams of calories. It has apple cider vinegar, honey, oranges, lemons, onions, ginger, horseradish, garlic, turmeric, habanero pepper, black peppers, and it's certified organic ingredients. So it's everything that you can pronounce, and that's what I was taught. You know, only take goods or consume things that you can actually pronounce the names and recognize. This contains live raw vinegar and raw honey, no refrigeration necessary, shake before use, and it's non-alcoholic. So this is CBD for dry skin formula. It has 375 mg of CBD cream with oil, borage oil. And this is excellent, especially when you have aches and pains. I've used CBD products before, and it just it relieves all those muscle aches. This is also great because right now we're heading into winter, so you know you tend to get more, well, for me, my skin tends to be more drier. So this is excellent. I can't wait to try it out. This product contains no more than 0.3% total THC, including precursors by weight. So give this product a try. Again, I'm putting links below so you can visit each of these companies. How cute is this? Hand sanitizers. I really love the packaging. This can make a great gift. You can give it to your kids. You can give it to a friend. It's called Jack and Jill Natural Care Hand Sanitizer Antibacterial Hand Gel. It's rinse free. It's also moisturizing because it has glycerin in, and it kills 99.99% of germs. So I have a product called Green Goo, plants with a purpose, free to breed. It's infused with eucalyptus, rosemary, lavender. It's a self. Oh, it smells wonderful. This is great for when you under the weather, you have sore muscles, aches and pains, you need a good night's rest. You'll take some of the self and you'll just rub it on your achy body parts, underneath your nose to breathe well. Rejuva Minerals, it's a natural iron brow pencil, easily glide on twist up cap. And this is black. Just show you what it looks like. They sealed it pretty well, you know. Sorry about that. Okay. So this is what it looks like. And it's a twist up cap. Pretty neat. Well, I hope you enjoyed this month's YouTube video of the unboxing. Please subscribe to the companies. Check them out below. Go and read up about them. I'd also like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'd like to thank you once again for watching my video. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.